Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The rivalry between GitHub Copilot and Cursor has evolved significantly since Cursor's debut. While Cursor once had a clear lead in agentic capabilities, the codebase awareness, GitHub Copilot, backed by Microsoft resources, has rapidly closed the gap. The choice between the two now often comes down to pricing, performance, and a developer's preferred workflow. Let's start with the core philosophy between the two. So we start with the GitHub Copilot. It operates as a powerful plugin that enhances your existing IDE. It's built for integration within a developer's established workflow, particularly within the Microsoft ecosystem, that is VS Code, JetBrains, etc. It aims to be an add-on, not a replacement, while for Cursor, it's a standalone AI-first IDE built on top of the VS Code framework. Its core philosophy is to reimagine the developer experience around AI with features deeply woven into the editor itself. It wants to be the single tool you use for AI-powered development. Now let's get to the key features of them. We start with the code completion feature. Both tools offer high-quality inline code suggestions. However, Cursor's super complete feature, which can predict and generate multi-line and even multi-file edits, is often cited as being faster and more magical. GitHub Copilot is highly reliable and is excellent for boilerplate code and individual function completion. Another key feature is agentic capabilities. This was once Cursor's main advantage. Its agentic mode can understand your entire code base and make multi-file edits based on a single natural language prompt. GitHub Copilot has now introduced a similar agent mode into VS Code, making the two functionally equivalent for most tasks. Another key feature is chat and context awareness. Both offer integrated chat assistance for debugging, code explanation, and writing tests. Cursor is often praised for its deeper codebase awareness, allowing it to maintain context across a large number of files and complex conversations. Copilot's agent mode has significantly improved its ability to understand an entire project, but its core chat functionality still feels more like a plugin than a deeply integrated editor. Another key feature is model flexibility between the two. Cursor has a slight edge here, as it natively supports a wide range of leading AI models, including even multiple versions of GPT, Cloud, and Gemini. This allows users to choose the best model for a specific task. GitHub Copilot primarily uses OpenAI models, but it's expanding its support for others. Another thing with performance here. Let's start with speed and performance. According to recent benchmarks here, as you can see, Cursor is still noticeably faster at generating and applying code edits, often completing tasks in less time than Copilot. This speed difference is a primary reason why some developers still prefer Cursor despite the higher cost. Accuracy is another key difference here. While Cursor is faster, GitHub Copilot has been found to have a slightly higher success rate at solving real-world coding problems. This suggests a trade-off. Copilot may take a little longer, but it's more likely to provide a correct working solution. We also have pricing. This is a major differentiator and a key reason many developers have switched from Cursor to Copilot. GitHub Copilot Pro costs a flat $10 per month. As you can see, it includes unlimited completions, access to premium models in Copilot Chat, and a monthly allowance of premium requests for its agentic features. The pricing is predictable and even generous, while Cursor Pro costs $20 per month but uses a usage-based model. It includes a certain number of premium requests and a monthly budget for AI model inference. If you exceed these limits, you incur additional fees. This can lead to unpredictable and high bills, with some users reporting overages of over $40 in a single month. Now, this is my final verdict. Who should choose which? Choose GitHub Copilot if you value predictable, cost-effective pricing and already work within the VS Code or JetBrains ecosystem. Its new agent capabilities have closed the feature gap, making it the better value for most professional developers. It's a reliable, integrated, and affordable choice. While choose Cursor if you are a power user who prioritizes speed and deeply integrated AI capabilities above all else. If you are also willing to pay a premium for a dedicated AI-first IDE that can handle complex multi-file tasks with exceptional speed. The high monthly cost and potential for overage fees are a trade-off you are prepared to accept for what many consider to be a superior developer experience. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.